in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into or enable debugging mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. Give us a moment here. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the shift key on your keyboard. And now select the troubleshoot option, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options, and then select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select the restart button. And now on this page, select the F1 or function 1 key to enable debugging mode, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.